Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Ahmad Izani. My matric number is CE190123. Okay, I am from group number 8. Would like to present about the experiment number 3, which is the counter and timer. This one. Okay, first of all, this is the 6.1.1 ladder diagram. Okay, when you need to run it, firstly we need to push the start button. Okay, the com will start, and then click on the online mode, and then click yes, and then transfer, wait until it is 100% finish. Okay, then click on run, then click yes. Okay, first of all we need to see the network 2. For the counter, it will count until 5. First of all, right click it and then click force and then on, and then turn off feedback, turn on back until it will reach number 5. Okay, number 3, it will act as a counter to count until 5. Okay, when it is until 5 and when it is reached 5, it will light up the output. Okay, for the resetting of the switch, we need to go to the S0 for the load, this one, and then turn on. Oh no, turn on this one, and then it will reset back to 0. Okay, that's for the 6.1.1. I will pass it to my other member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nabil bin Ahmad Fauzi. My matrix number is CE100124. Today I will continue the presentation for the group 8, which is the question 6.1.2. So this is the diagram for the question 6.1.2. We get a 3 network here and 1 timer. Okay, before we run the program, you must to start the com. Okay. We start the com for the driver. Okay, after we start, we click the online mode, click yes, and we click transfer and wait until it is 100% complete. Okay, after we complete, we click the run, click yes. Okay, for the question, this is the 100 time for a timer. If you want to click turn on the output, we must to turn on the X1. Click force to turn on X1 and will automatically turn into 100 times. Okay, so as you can see, the timer is turn 100, and when you turn 100, it will stop, and the output of TO and Y1 will on. Okay, now we want to reset all the output, and how do we restart it? We click the XO here, pause, and we click on, and all the restart, and it restart to 0. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syakif Amir bin Muhammad Syah with my matrix number CE100206. Today I will be giving a talk about our discussion throughout our lab report 3, which is counter and timers. So let's begin. So according to our experiment, there are numerous ways to program a PLC, one of which is to use counters and timers to create a ladder diagram, as you can see in this our report. We must be familiar with the timer and counter in PLC programming in order to complete this lab. The timer is used to signal whether an input is on or off, as well as to generate a delay. Meanwhile, counters are employed to keep track of the sequence of events, while latches and unlatches are used to lock or unlatch anything. A PLC program might use both the timer and the counter as output instruction. As for our question 6.11, so we must press on and off until the counter at the X1, which is the push button, reaches 5. The Y0, which is our output, will be turned on after the counter has reaches 5. So then we go to our next question, which is 6.1.2. The TO will reset the value where the logic 1 is inserted on the input SO in this when we reset the value of logic 1. So the timer will count down till we insert any value and wait for the Y1 output to turn on. So that's all for our discussion and our observation that we get. That's all for me. Thank you very much.